I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do.
Hello all you wonderful people, Zontes G, U and U1 models, new rear 44-tooth sprocket replaces a 43-tooth sprocket. All bikes have a 14-tooth front sprocket and a 520 pitch chain with 112 links. If replacing the chain, then I would go for an O and an X-ring chain, but use the Zontes sprockets. In the description of this video, I will leave the Zontes dealer code so you can buy each item as you need it. The bike's been out for a while now, so you probably want to change your rear sprocket and chain soon. Don't forget to please like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest news. This is Mad Mick from the Zontes Parts Buying Club signing off.